Welcome to Intelligere. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process for creating sales entries without inventory using the multi-ledger option in the B2B section. Step 1. Select the sales entries module from your dashboard to begin. Step 2. Choose the without inventory, multi-ledger option under the B2B section. This is perfect for recording sales that don't involve inventory tracking but need multiple ledger allocations. Step 3. Click on the Upload File button. Select and upload the sales data file you want to process. Step 4. Your sales voucher entry will appear on your screen automatically. Review the details to make sure your data has loaded correctly. Step 5. If any tally ledger in your uploaded file doesn't match your existing tally ledgers, it will be highlighted in red. This helps you quickly spot and fix mismatches. Step 6. Select the keyword from your file that needs to be mapped. Then click the Show Mapping button. Step 7. Assign the correct tally ledger to the selected keyword. Once you've matched it, click the Submit button to save the mapping. Step 8. Your voucher entry will now update with the mapped ledger. Check that everything is correctly aligned. Step 9. When you're ready, click on the Send to Tally button. Your sales voucher entry will be automatically generated in Tally. Step 10. Finally, open Tally and confirm that all entries have been correctly imported and saved. And that's it. With Intelligere's sales entries without inventory feature, you can easily upload sales data, map unmatched ledgers, and send accurate vouchers to Tally in just a few simple steps. No manual errors, no missing ledger links, just fast, smooth, and reliable integration with your Tally system. Need help? Our friendly support team is just a message away. Call or email us using the details on screen. And don't forget to book your demo today. Future of Accounting, Intelligere.